This girl loves bread, right? She want to dunk her Hawaiian roll in the sauce. I said, yeah, go ahead, but that's all you getting for dinner. So look how she eating it. You trying to savor it? But you got a whole bag. You can eat the Hawaiian rolls. Why is you eating it like that? Right? You better not eat it too fast. Are you even eating any of it? Wait, what was that? How much? I was like, that's all you get for dinner. She's about to stuff it in her mouth. Show what you did. I was like, that's all you get for dinner. She was getting ready to stuff it. She was like, and immediately ate a little teeny piece of it. Too freaking funny. Like that sauce, right? That sauce is so good. Waiting for dinner. Waiting for the pasta to cook. The garlic bread. Is the garlic bread? Oh, the oven. I put it in before it was hot, but